the eyes, it's really this kind of quite clean taupey shading going on in the upper eyelid, and then with this accent of colour, literally just in the very midpoint of the lower eye. And that really is when the girl's looking at you, it's as if she's staring into your soul.
Your makeup looks absolutely amazing today. Did you do it? Did you do it yourself, or did you have a makeup artist do it?
I've got to be honest, I work on TV and I was on air this morning. So it was done at 3 this morning, not by me, which is why there's a little bit of droppage, but whatever.
Well, shiny eyelids can be good, but your eyelids might get stuck together, so be careful.
If you had to choose one essential beauty item.
I have this lipstick from MAC called Hue, which I don't actually have today. I was like, I don't have my Venice. I've worn it for 15 years. So since I was 10, it was like my first lipstick.
I would have to say bronzer, just because you can put it on your eyebrows, you can probably darken your cheeks with it, and you can use it everywhere, so I don't know, bronzer.
Rhodial, tinted foundation, tinted moisturiser. Then I use a little bit of contouring. I've got a contour palette, Contour Cosmetics. Yeah, so that's my skin.
He used an airbrush and he taped up around the eye area, so we've got those really nice sharp lines, and then he used an airbrush to get the black pigment onto the skin, and then once the tape was taken off, he would then clean up around the edges.
Do you work with the makeup artist to come up with a look that works for you, or do you just give inspiration?
I go there with my mood board. They are an unbelievably team, incredible, so they are very creative. I explain them my concept. What is inspiration? You know, something really graphic in the eyes, but then it fades away. So the contrast keep on going also in the makeup.